Hello everybody and welcome to your Monday maths lesson. Now today we're going to be looking at counting up and down in tenths and start looking at fractions. Now we've looked at fractions already in school, so you should be experts on this already, but this is just a little video to refresh your memory. Now, a fraction can be anything between 0 and 1 whole. And our fraction has a numerator and a denominator. Now, our denominator is the one which is at the bottom, is the amount of equal parts which make up our one whole. So on my number line here, I've split the number line into 10 equal parts. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. Therefore, my denominator is going to be 10. Now my numerator is the amount of parts we are interested in. So this first part here, we know our denominator is going to be 10. And it is the first part, so our numerator is 1. Now our second part, we know our denominator is going to be 10. And our numerator, because it's our second part, is going to be 2. Now we say these, we don't say 1/10. We'd say 1/10, followed by 2/10. Now, what do you reckon the next one's going to be? That's right, it's going to be 3/10, followed by 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, until we get to 1 whole. Now we may want to show that as 10/10, but it's the same as 1 whole. Okay. Now what we're going to have a little recap on is just counting up and down along our number line. So we'll start here. Okay, so repeat after me. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, and 1 whole, or 10/10. Now, you're going to have a go now, okay? All right, so I'm going to point to the number, you're going to say it back to me, okay? Ready, steady, go. Brilliant, fantastic. Now, what I'm going to do now is make it a little bit trickier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rub off certain fractions, okay? Certain tenths along our number line. But what we'll do it all together, is chant through the number line, okay? I'm going to miss out the one which are blank and see if you can remember which one goes where along a number line. So I'm going to rub off this one here and maybe this one here. Fantastic. Right. So are we ready? Let's go. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 5/10, 6/10, 8/10, 9/10, 1 whole. Okay, how did we manage to get on at home? Right, I'm going to rub off a few more fractions now. Okay, just to make it a little bit trickier. So I'm going to rub off this one here, and this one here. Okay, right, we're going to go through it one more time, up and down our number line. Okay, this time we're going to go back down as well and see if you got those tenths stuck in to your head. Right, let's start then. 1/10, 5/10, 6/10, 9/10, 1 whole, or 10/10. Right, we're going to go back down the number line now, back down to 0. So I'll start us off. 1 whole, 9/10, 6/10, 5/10, and 1/10. Fantastic, guys. Right, now, also on your worksheet today is you're showing how we can show 1/10 or 2/10 in a slightly different way. Now, it could come in the form of a bar like this. Now, I've broken this down into 10 equal parts. Does anyone know why I've broken it down into 10 equal parts? It's because our denominator is 10, and therefore there needs to be 10 equal parts to make up our whole. Now, if you had a bar like this and one part was shaded in, what fraction of the bar is shaded in? Okay, let's have a look. So I've got 10 equal parts, therefore I know my denominator is 10. How many of those am I interested in? Of course, I'm only interested in this one here, because the question is, how much of that bar is shaded in? And it is 1. So that would be the same as 1/10. Now, if I was to shade in some more parts to my bar, now, what fraction would this show? Now, of course, our denominator is the amount of equal parts which make up our whole. So, of course, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. Remember, our numerator is the amount of equal parts we are interested in. So in this case, we're interested in how many are shaded in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are shaded in. Therefore, the fraction of the bar shaded in would be 6/10. Okay? Now, that should give you a little bit more help to work through the worksheet today. Now, if you get stuck at all, just watch back through this video again. You can pause it at certain points if you're not quite sure on certain things. And all the best of luck getting through your worksheets today.